In this video and the next, we'll explore the different tests that is being conducted to determine the transformer equivalent circuit parameters. So these are the open circuit test and the short circuit test. The open circuit test is designed to obtain the shunt parameters R sub C and X sub M. So it's called an open circuit test because what we do is we apply a voltage on one side of the transformer and keep the other side open. Here we have a transformer shown as an exact equivalent circuit referred to the secondary. So here we apply a voltage at the secondary side and then measure the resulting current and power consumed by the transformer. We also measure that applied voltage. The voltage is usually applied on the low voltage side of the transformer to keep the voltage uh, at low levels. To simplify the determination of R sub C and X sub M, we can move the shunt circuit in front of the secondary terminals, thus using the equivalent or the approximate equivalent circuit of the transformer. In this scenario, then, the current drawn by the transformer IOC will simply flow towards the shunt circuit. Also, the voltage across that shunt will be equal to VOC. Hence, we can write KCL here. That is, IOC will be equals to the current here, which is VOC divided by this resistance, plus this current here, which is VOC divided by this reactance. Hence, that will give us this equation. So in phasor form, we can form this equation based on that KCL, or we can write this relationship in terms of the magnitudes of IOC and VOC. To solve for R sub C and X sub M, we require another equation, and that will come from the reading of the wattmeter, which will tell us that this reading must equal to the power consumption of this resistance. So that will give us this another equation, and combining these two equations, that will allow us to solve R sub C and X sub M. In our next video, we'll discuss about the short circuit test that will allow us to determine the series resistance and reactance.